What's up, peeps? This is Todd, and welcome back to my show. Today we're going to talk about big business and how people like, unfortunately, you and me make them so incredibly successful.
People of South Park, I am pleased to be with you on this most historic day. The grand opening of the first South Park Walmart! Look at it, honey. It's so big.
Whoa, awesome! Hey, isn't this where Stark's Pond used to be? Where we used to kayak and fish?
Now, shop, friends. Shop! It's beautiful!
Now, the important thing to remember here is that corporations are evil and greedy, and certainly hardworking Americans would never trample each other to death for some discounted prices on goods and services, right?
Tonight, those doorbuster deals at times creating chaos. Look at this crush of shoppers in a Chattanooga Victoria's Secret pink store. The stampede over Sherpa jackets, people seen shoving each other, one sales rep climbing on a table to escape the crowd.
Okay, but that's just one example of horrific consumerism. Surely that's an isolated event.
In a Georgia Walmart, two women fighting over pots and pans, one refusing to let go. Long lines of customers at stores from Maryland to Florida to Texas. In Myrtle Beach, this frenzy over TVs, again one of the deeply discounted big-ticket items attracting buyers.
Now, a huge case can be made that companies like Walmart or these big businesses are exploitive and they mistreat their employees and don't pay them a living wage. But the reason they can get away with that is because of the shoppers. Millions of people, if not billions of people, choose to shop at places like Walmart because they can get their products for incredibly cheap. And many people are okay seeing a local mom and pop business close their doors forever if it means that a Walmart has come to town and is now offering cheap goods.
How come Walmart is able to sell everything so cheap?
It's simple economics, son. I don't understand it at all. But God, I love it.
Now, a major problem here is the hypocrisies that come with this. There are a lot of individuals that stand on a soapbox and say big businesses like Amazon or Walmart are evil and greedy, and yet they choose to shop at Amazon or Walmart. Have you ever been scrolling through Twitter and you see a tweet that says something like tax the rich or screw the corporations? But what's funny, what nobody seems to realize is somebody said that on Twitter, which is a huge company, and they probably tweeted it from their $1,200 iPhone while they're sipping a $7 latte. The hypocrisies are unreal. It's actually not that different to the Republican anti-abortion representative who created a ton of anti-abortion bills, but then, unbeknownst to his wife, he had a mistress on the side that he was banging, and as soon as he thought that she was pregnant, he demanded that she get an abortion. It's really not that different than Bernie Sanders saying tax the rich, but then he became a millionaire. And in order to defend himself, he said, man, I didn't know it was a crime in this country to write a book, and if you write a best-selling book, maybe you'll become a millionaire too. The fact is, there are people right now who are upset that Walmart doesn't pay their employees $15 an hour. They're also upset that a guy like Jeff Bezos, in their opinion, isn't paying his fair share of taxes. But you know what? That won't stop them from shopping at Walmart or shopping on Amazon, even though they try to virtue signal and play the morality police.
Hey. Gerald, what are you doing? We said we weren't going to shop at the Walmart anymore. Mr. Garrison, Chef, Jimbo! Now, come on, people! What the hell is wrong with you? Don't you see what you're all doing? Well, what are you doing here, Randy? I came because I wanted to make sure nobody was shopping here.
Dad!
Oh, all right, and maybe I was gonna buy a glass. One glass. And some chips. And butter. And some new pliers.
So what is the lifeblood of Walmart? What makes Amazon tick? And how are these big businesses getting away with paying low wages and low taxes? The sad truth, my friends, is that it's you and me. It's the shoppers, it's the people, it's the consumer. We, the people, are the heart of Walmart.
The question is, where is the heart?
Very well. It lies beyond that plasma screen television.
It's a mirror.
Yes, don't you see? That is the heart of Walmart. You. the consumer.
And if you really want to put an end to corporate greed, you're not going to get there by protesting about how they don't pay enough in taxes. One, because I believe that the government is in the pocket of big business, but even if they weren't, let's say the government raised taxes on Walmart, Walmart would just make their headquarters in some other country where it's not taxed as heavily. If you want to stop this consumerism, and if you want to stop the corporate greed, that means that you, the heart of Walmart, you have to stop shopping there. The people are the heartbeats of a big corporation. And if we take our dollars and we choose to shop local, or we choose to shop with small mom and pop businesses, eventually these big corporations will have to change. They'll have to pay their employees better. They'll have to clean up the environment, or whatever causes we want them to do. Because if they don't have any customers, they're going to have to give the customers what they want. Shopping at big corporations comes at a hefty price. But there is a price for shopping local as well. You probably will pay a little bit more at the register.
You see, boys, if we like our small town charm more than the big corporate bullies, we all have to be willing to pay a little bit more.
But keep in mind, most major corporations today were at one time a mom and pop business, or just one guy with a banner that said Amazon. And that mom and pop business, that small entity, figured out how to get products to consumers for cheap. So similar to how everybody abandoned shopping at a big conglomerate like Blockbuster, now Netflix is a major corporation. And similar to how everybody abandoned shopping at Borders or Barnes & Nobles, now Amazon is really huge. So don't be surprised that if you take your business and your dollars and you go shop local, that could also be the next huge corporation. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.